welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a review on this wig. This wig was sent to me from a seller on Amazon, and girl, I am loving this burgundy wig, okay? Like, I try to press it bone straight as I can, so I have to make sure like the wig is really flat, okay? So I try my best. So this here was from Afsisterwig store. So this wig is a burgundy wine red, silky straight, transparent 13x4 lace wig. It's also Brazilian human hair, and this is a 20-inch, and the density is 180. This wig is thebomb.com. It is so beautiful. I love the color. It's really soft, very silk. Well, I did get a few shedding when I cut the lace, and it's already pre-plucked. I didn't pre-pluck it. Virgin Brazilian human hair, no shedding or tangle free. I didn't really get any tangle. It's not tangling or anything like that. It's like really soft. It is so soft, very thick, as you guys could see. I love it. I really do like this wig. Really pretty. Just such a beautiful color. It's long, girl. It is so hot in my room, and I'm just like have hair all sticking on my skin. I'm just a beginner, okay? I don't know anything about gluing down here or anything like that. So this video is just for beginners like myself, just like to wear the wigs like this. I'd rather the hair be thick than thin, and this here is a must-have. This is really beautiful. And I think it's gonna last long if you take care of it. So yeah, and it's really hot in my room and I'm sweating, and the hair is not even tangling. So this is pretty good. I'm not even lying, like, you see? And the color is beautiful. I wish that the color was a little bit more lighter, but it's a little dark in person, okay? Whenever you're trying to style a wig, you need some mousse. Get it? It helps a lot to flatten the area down, or if you don't have mousse, you could just use a styling wax. So let me know what you guys think about this beautiful wig. I will have all the information in the description box down below if you guys want to pick up this wig. And I also have an Amazon storefront if you guys want to purchase a wig from the storefront. So thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, and to my OGs, thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. So please share this video and subscribe as well. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.